going to export our UV map so that I can do some textures in Photoshop. So I'm gonna go to UV editing. I'm gonna select all of this, select everything here. UV, export UV layout, and I'm gonna call this shield UV map. Okay. I'm gonna put in textures. And now I'm gonna open up Photoshop and I'm gonna find that file, which is in Blender, Textures, Shield, UV map right here. And I'm going to create a new layer, put it beneath. I'm going to call this one, this is my UV layer. And if you're working in another program and you can have layers, it's the same thing here. And I will add in a background color right here. Let's just do white. And now here, if I draw something, so I'll get a brush. If I draw it, you can kind of see through there. But if I really want to, I could maybe change this and make the white white so that I only look through there. But now I can draw within here. So the shield is here. So if I wanted to draw like a really high resolution scary skull for my, oh yeah, there we go. And obviously this is more of a joke. Alright, but I can spend the time to paint in all of my UVs. So this is the metal part on the edges here. I would paint some wood in here. Now when I want to save this, I will turn off this one. I will file. I can save the PSD file first, shield UV map PSD, just so that I can continue to manipulate this later on. And then I'm going to save a copy as JPEG. Instead of shield UV map color. So that's a JPEG. Now I go back into Blender. I can go into shading, and I have this one. And I'm going to add a texture map, image texture, new. Sorry, I don't want new. I want to open. Textures, shield UV map color. And now I have that really amazing painting I just did on here. And I can go back, and if I do any more updates on here, so I put an X here, maybe I do some swirls along here. This is obviously not good. I can save this, save a copy, color, save, replace. So this will also update. File, save. And now you can see it has updated. So what's good about this is you can do it, test it out, see if it's working, and continue refine until you get all of those designs just the way you want them.